Hi guys! So for today's video, gagawa ko ng lip swatch ng ISSY Company Cosmetics Hydragloss. I'm so sorry, this is super duper late, but these are some of the products that I got from the Lazada 6/6 sale. But before I do the lip swatch, gawa na rin tayo ng very quick makeup tutorial. So I'm going to do something na magmamatch dun sa Hydragloss, which is a dewy, glossy looking freshness of makeup. Okay, let's go. First thing you want to do is apply your sunscreen kahit nasa loob ka lang ng bahay, you guys. It's very important. So I'm using a new sunscreen I have yet to reveal or to share with you guys. But it's so lightweight and I am so loving it. Malalaman nyo rin soon. Next, I'm going to use my Pond's Insta Bright Glow Up Cream. This is just like a moisturizer. So, and I super duper love this. Highly recommend that you try it. Instant glow, instant boost of freshness. Ayan, oh. And even if you're oily, I think it's okay to use it kasi it's just like a moisturizer, guys. Huwag mo lang syempre masyadong damihan or like ibabad dun sa mga area na like you're super duper oily. So while waiting for everything I put on to set, I'm going to do my brows. Magba-brow soap ulit ako. And I'm using the one from Skincare Hub. I think I mentioned it on my May favorites. For the base, since magli-lip swatch tayo ng ISSY Company, why not let's go for another ISSY Company product, which is yung Active Skin Tint. For contour, gagamitin ko is from Happy Skin, yung Sculptacular Face Contour Kit. Gusto ko sanang gumamit ng cream contour, pero wala akong cream contour right now. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my sponge and go over the powder. For highlight, I'm going to use Sunny's Face Face Glass in shade Nova. Super duper perfect if you want to get that dewy, wet look goals. Okay, so before I finish my look, pwede na tayong mag-lip swatch because there's a shade here. There's a particular shade na parang feeling ko pwede siyang pang eyeshadow. I don't know. Pero ang claim ng Hydragloss is it's part lip oil and part lip gloss. This is more like a lip treatment more than a lip gloss, like a makeup lip gloss. So, meron siyang jojoba seed oil, aloe juice, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and cocoa nucifera oil. And ang parang common denominator lahat is hydrating and with antioxidant, lip conditioning, vitamins for your lips. Alam mo yun? So first shade is, let's go for this one, yung pinaka-clear, which is Surf. First of all, the packaging is really cute. This is Surf, you guys, and it's just straight up like clear gloss. And the thing is, it feels like a lip gloss, pero hindi siya yung klase ng lip gloss na katulad nung sa Vice Cosmetics, yung lip gloss ni Mama Ann na nakakabawas ng linya. Alam mo yon, yung parang like thick gloss. So this is really more like a lip treatment more than considering it as a lip gloss, like makeup lip gloss. But yeah, this is Surf, just clear gloss. Next shade, let's go for Love Boat, which I think, yeah, is yung pinky entry for the collection. So here is Love Boat. So here's Love Boat on my lips, and very sheer lang talaga yung pegalum nila. Hindi naman nila minarket na like super pigmented. And si Love Boat is like your lips but better kind of shade. Meron siyang slight tint to it. But guys, I really don't like this scoop applicator. I feel like parang nalilimitahan ka on the way you apply it on your lips and the nooks and crannies of your lips. And iba-iba tayo ng shape ng lips, so I think it's, alam mo yun, medyo choosy yung applicator na ganun. But yeah, this is Love Boat. Next, let's go for Bikini. Bikini looks like coppery-ish. So here is Bikini, and dye, it's really coppery. This would really look good sa mga morena, pero I feel like it's too metallic-ish looking. So this is Bikini on my lips, and it looks good to some extent. Kasi dai, in person na, it's really like coppery-ish. So careful with the amount of product you put on your lips kasi it could look metallic more than glossy. Pero bagay siya sa lahat ng skin tone definitely, and lalo na sa mga morena, it's gonna look like sultry and sexy. Pero yun nga, not too much, don't put too much kasi yeah, it looks like a bit metallic-ish. Ayan no, yung sinasabi ko. Look at the difference sa first two shades. But it's parang your skin but better as well. Oo, kasi sheer lang naman siya. Sheer wash of color. But yeah, this is Bikini. And last but definitely not the least is Baywatch. This is Baywatch. Well, obvious naman yung difference ng color niya with the first three shades. So this is Baywatch on my lips, you guys, and thank God we have like a different color, a different pop of color. Kasi honestly, itong tatlong to, it could pass for like just one shade. Depende on the shade of your lips, plus depende on your skin tone. So I don't recommend that you buy all the shades. What I do recommend is you get Baywatch and then mamili ka na lang alin dito sa tatlo yung second shade mo. Depende on the color of your lips nga and your skin tone. Kung bagay ba sa'yo yung mga sheer na pinky or sheer na ma-brown-brown, or kung bet mo na walang shade at all at gusto mo lang, habol mo lang yung parang lip treatment factor, edi go for the clear one. But yeah, this is Baywatch on my lips. So I'm going to continue with my makeup, but I'm not really super happy with my nose contour, so I'm gonna go and use my go-to contour, which is from Our Colors. What I'm going to do, don't follow me guys, this is just me. Trip ko lang to for today. I'm going to get the shade Bikini, yung coppery one, and yeah, I'll try to put it on my eyelids. Konti lang naman. I just want a little bit of shading na glossy din on my lids. At yung mga klase ng makeup na like pang picture lang, pang aura lang, ganun. So next I'm going to do, since we have glossy lids na, I'm gonna go straight to mascara because I don't think didikit yung falsies or even eyeliner. Okay, so for the lips, I want to maintain yung parang pagka-nude-ish natin, just glowing and dewy. So I'm going to contour my lips para na medyo umfi-umfi yung lips natin. And then I would probably use a Love Boat. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana kahit pa nag-enjoy kayo with a very quick lip swatch. I'm sorry kung late na, but better late than never. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye! Oh look guys, so binura ko na yung hand swatch ko. Nagkaroon ng stain yung Baywatch, so love that.